We've completed the rough drawings on the layout paper. If you missed it, you can watch video 2 of this series. It's time to transfer the roughs onto the paper we will draw on. I am using a heavy paper of 180 GSM, ideal for drawing, and the paper size is the standard A4. The pencil I use to trace the rough onto the paper is a light 2H pencil. I use masking tape to secure the layout paper and the drawing paper to each other temporarily, so it won't slip or move as I trace it. Cool! And now we can begin to trace the lines onto the drawing paper using a light table. Once I've completed tracing the lines onto the final paper, I can remove the masking tape. You can see how faint the lines are on the page compared to the rough. That's it for now. See you in the next video. Bye!